Alright guys, so let's say you're on Windows 11 or maybe Windows 10, and suddenly you start running into multiple issues. Like, Windows just stops working the way it should, it's running super slow, files seem corrupted, maybe your internet is giving you problems, or honestly, any other random Windows issue. Now usually, the first thought is, okay, I'll just reset my PC back to factory settings. But here's the thing, resetting your PC? Not always a great option. It takes forever, and you might lose applications, or even important files along the way. So instead, let me share an amazing tool with you today. It's totally free, and it can fix multiple Windows problems without resetting your PC. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you click it, you'll land on the Windows Club page. The tool is called Fix11, works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now, what does it actually offer? Well, a lot. It has fixes for File Explorer problems, internet and connectivity issues, common Windows Update errors, system tools, troubleshooters, advanced system info, and even more. Pretty cool, right? Let's check out how it works. Scroll all the way down the page, and at the very bottom, you'll see a blue button that says Download Fix. Click that. Download starts instantly as a zip file. Once downloaded, right-click Extract All, hit Extract. Inside, look for the file fix11.2.exe. That's the one. Right-click on it, run as administrator, click Yes. You'll see the Fix11 dashboard. On the left side, you'll notice categories, File Explorer, Internet and Connectivity, System Fixes, System Tools, Troubleshooters, and additional fixes. So let's walk through them one by one. First, the Welcome tab. Here it shows basic device info, like which Windows version you're on, your processor, your RAM. And below that, you'll see 4 very handy tools. System File Checker Utility. One click and it scans for corrupted system files. If you suspect something's broken, run this. On Windows 10, the black window might flash and disappear, but don't worry, it's still running in the background. Re-register store applications. If Microsoft Store apps are corrupted or won't open, this re-registers them automatically using PowerShell. Just click once, and wait. Create a restore point. Super important. Before trying tweaks, make a restore point. Just give it a name and create. It only takes seconds. Repair Windows System Image. Uses DISM to repair the Windows Component Store. Again, just one click, and it'll handle everything. Okay, back to the dashboard. Let's click on File Explorer. And wow, look at the list of fixes here. Recycle bin icon missing? Fixed. Recycle bin not refreshing? Fixed. Explorer not starting at boot. Thumbnails not showing. CD/DVD drive not recognized. Even class not registered errors. All sorted right here. And these are issues people constantly search for online, but hardly ever find real solutions for. This tool actually covers them. Now, onto Internet and Connectivity. Here you can fix tons of internet problems. Can't connect? Done. DNS issues? Clear the DNS cache with one click. Want to reset Windows Firewall? Easy. Internet options missing? Bring them back. Even weird connection problems? Fixed. Next up, System Fixes. This one's packed. Repair corrupted component store with DISM. Reset the settings app if it won't open or shows blank. Disable OneDrive. Fix start menu not working in Windows 11. Wi-Fi not working after upgrade. Sandbox won't open. Multiple OneDrive entries in File Explorer. Windows update errors. Missing battery time display on laptops. All these can be handled right here. Moving to System Tools. If Task Manager is disabled, enable it back. Same with Command Prompt, Registry Editor, System Restore, Device Manager. You can also reset Windows Search, repair Windows Defender, reset Windows Security, all with just a click. Now, troubleshooters. This section is amazing. Even if Windows 11 removed some troubleshooters, you can still run them from here. Audio, printer, power, network adapter, they're all here. For example, I ran the network adapter troubleshooter. It asked which adapter had issues. I picked Wi-Fi. It scanned, found the problem, and instantly fixed it. Pretty awesome. And lastly, additional fixes. Enable Hibernate if it's missing. Restore sticky notes. Fix arrow snap, peak, or shake. Repair corrupted icons. Re-enable taskbar notifications. Restore Windows script host. Recover system images. And so much more. There's even a quick fixes tab. Here, you can reset group policy, reset notepad, reset WinSock, reset DNS cache, reset keyboard settings, reset the settings app. The list goes on. So yeah guys, this tool is honestly a lifesaver. Instead of wasting time resetting your PC, you can just run these fixes and solve your issues quickly. And that's it for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.